lines never cross each other. They never overlap. Number 2. They always point from the north pole of magnets to its south pole. North into south. So that must mean that this is north and this is south. Number 3. They're continuous. The only reason these lines have been cropped out here is because I've simply run out of space. Number 4. Where the lines are closer together, the magnetic force is the strongest, and that's at the poles of the magnet.
Any random direction. Oh, wait. Let me put the north on this side. Okay? Now, see what happens.
It's spinning like it's just spinning. Because this is attracting this. Or this is attracting this.
Now.
No, remember he said that's a magnet field. But this is also.
Yes, this is also a magnet.
This is stronger.
The stronger in the south pole. Let me now almost if you could see
Compass.
this is a north pole, that is a south pole. So now I'm going to suspend a magnet and I will see which side it points. Okay, and can you see the red part? I'm putting it on that side. Okay, this way. And the moment I'm going to, are they?
There are very little ripples.
Yes. There are ripples?
Yeah.
You can't see. Now, the moment I'm going to place it, see what happens.
It's a fruit because
Okay,
bottom
it is pointing this side. Can you see the compass is also pointing in the same direction?
because the compass is made out of metal. Compass iron. Made out of iron.
Give me a high five.
That's why
Not iron, but a magnet. Now, I want you to get up and gather around here. Okay. Yeah. Come in.
if you put it the other way,
Some of them, okay. Yeah, here. You can sit on that chair if you are able to see. Now, push or pull is the force. Now look what's happening. Am I touching this magnet?
no.
Which is slowing down.
Because there's a magnetic also, no?
Okay, understood? So these are some magnets. So what exactly is a magnet? How can two magnets attract each other? Yes? Anyone? Stop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Stop.
6.
Just
5 seconds? 15
5
seconds.
seconds. Less than 5 seconds. Anyone?
3 seconds?
3 seconds.
1 second?
1 second. Who's saying 1 second?
2.5.
2.5 seconds.
1, 2.10. 1,
You
4.
are going to notice the time. Okay, let me see who has got the nearer guess. 3, should I drop?
Yeah.
Give me a count. 3, 2,
1.
or
1, 2, 3, 1.
see how quickly I have to move my hand to catch this.
1, 2, 3.
In front of you. Come on.
Nine.
Give me a count.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow.
Basically, if you put like south and do this test, you get like more electricity.
Yes.
It doesn't generate electricity, but it generates kinetic energy, which you can turn into electricity.
Okay. Okay, what is kinetic energy?
It's a form of energy, and all energies can be converted into other energies.
Can you tell me what's your name? Yes. Can you tell me what do you know about magnets?
The force is a push and a pull, and the motion is
No, about magnets. Do you play with magnets? Come on. Yeah.
magnets north and south. They will stay together with south and south.
How do we know it has north and south? Yes.
Because if you turn, because if at first they're sticking together, then you just have to turn one of them to the opposite side, and then you know that.
But why can't I say east and west?
Because the magnet is facing like this.
Because the magnet
Because
is
the
facing.
magnet, if you have a stick,
Mm-hmm.
like that stick magnet, the north will be facing you and the south will be facing at the back.
Okay. Good. Yes.
And because east and west is side to side, so north and south will be up and down.
Oh, that means if I have a small magnet, it will always point this way.